Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pete's Cookhouse. This one is filmed during an episode because we're waiting half an hour. I wanted to do a little something to show you. Um, it's a little hors d'oeuvre, if you want to call it that way. Little because right now we're waiting for this to cook. I decided to do something for my wife and to tie us over. So I had an idea of like little bruschettas. But like on the cheap side. So here's what we're gonna need. Okay. So you need a clove of garlic, right? You need some basil and oregano. You're gonna need tomato. You're gonna need. I'm adding a little bit of red onions and olive oil. I'll be right back. I know I'm off screen. Hang on a sec. Olive oil and something to put this stuff on. Now, these are all the ingredients you're going to need. Triscuits. We're going to put them on Triscuits, but there's something else that we're going to be doing with this at the same time. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be grabbing, move this aside, we're going to be putting some Triscuits, and these are roasted garlic flavor. Can't go wrong with that. So grab some Triscuit peppers. And because I'm doing this for my wife, we're not going to be doing tons of them. We're going to be doing maybe 4 each. So make sure that they're full crackers. Not, don't be cheap with half. Okay, so 4 crackers on there. Nope, sorry, missing one. There we go. Like this. Okay. Now, what we are going to be doing with this is we're going to add mozzarella. Simple. So we put this aside. Now, mind you, this is like impromptu little side show. Sideshow, if you want to call it. So, doing this. Cut squares of mozzarella because we're going to be putting them on here like this. Keep doing that with all of them. And that right now is all we need. So mozzarella and all of them, we're going to put them in the air fryer to get them to melt. And while that's melting, I'm going to be showing you how to prep the topping to go on these things. So put this on air fry. Sorry, we're going to put this on broil, and we're going to start that. We're going to heat that up. While that's heating up, I'm going to clear some weight, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So our Triscuits are heating up, and the cheese is melting on that. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing our topping, our tomato topping. So we will grab our tomato. Make sure to take the sticker off. There. All right. We're going to cut some slices. Put this aside like this. And we mince. I know I always mince because I love how I like mince. I don't like big chunks. I like mince. That was my wife.
Oh, sorry.
All right. So our tomatoes are minced. We will add it in our little container. Like that. Now we will do the same with our garlic. Mince the garlic. So again, it's funny we're doing episodes on comfort food because it's supposed to be getting colder, but yet the temperature outside is like 30 degrees. It's like steaming hot, which is kind of weird for, what are we, 13th of September? So I'm going to keep an eye on these things. These things are done. All right, so these are our little hors d'oeuvres. We will put them here for now. Okay, now we are going to grab a little bit of red onion, not tons. What I do is I cut a little, again, about that much, because we're not a lot of us, there's two of us. I grab these here, and I do the same thing that I did with the tomatoes. I mince them. So. Like that. This, put that in there. Okay. Beautiful. Set this aside. Now, olive oil. Say about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We're going to add some oregano. I can open this thing. Nope, there. I'd say maybe a teaspoon, or half a teaspoon, because we're not doing that much, right? And some basil. Same thing. Okay. We're going to give this a mix. Now, ideally, if you can let it rest for an hour or so in the fridge, you give it a chance everything to marinate together. But what I'll be doing is we'll be applying it because we want to eat. So I'm just going to clean this up and I'll be right back. All right, so our Triscuits, roasted garlic flavor with mozzarella cheese on it. Now we're adding our mixture of bruschetta, which are minced diced, slicely chopped tomatoes. So we put a spoonful on this. And there's olive oil on there too. So they're like tiny Amuse Bouche. Bouche.
Bruschetta?
What?
Bruschetta?
Yes, bruschetta. But they're like tiny canapes, tiny Amuse Bouche.
Bruschetta.
Alright, so we have that on there, and we just finish it off with Parmesan cheese. And just sprinkle it like that. Like that. And there, you have something to give your wife to tie her over until the main course is done. She's giving this. What? Would you like to try one?
I'll try one.
Okay. Come here. Over here.
No.
Yeah, over here.
Fine.
Over here. Over here.
Thank
Fine.
you.
Welcome. I tried. I tried. Let's try this.
It's your show, not mine.
Bellissimo. Little bruschetta. Real quick. Simple. You guys are going to love this. Try it out. Simple. Even for a game day. Thanks for watching. And this is hard because I'm doing two shows in the same. So, yeah. Well, give it a try. Right? Great little hors d'oeuvre, little thing to bring out during game day or whatever.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Yes, dear. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button and the notification button to keep in the loop for all the other episodes that are coming through. I know this was not part of the comfort food, but you know what? It could be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But guys, thanks. And see you on the next episode.